It's no secret, people love photography. Whether you be taking pictures or videos, we're all obsessed with cameras. Even phone companies, when they sell you a cell phone, they're not selling it on the newest microphone technology or how high definition your phone calls are going to sound, but they focus more on the picture and video quality the cell phone can take. With phones that are capable of shooting 4K footage and then being so lightweight and so compact, are dedicated cameras relevant anymore? Ever since I started this channel, I've been using iPhones because frankly that's all I had. Although it gets the job done, I can't never achieve the quality that I really want for my videos. Not only that, but I waste my battery, my memory, and I risk getting a phone call in the middle of the footage and ruining that whole video that I just took. Now these are all minor issues that can be easily fixed, but in all reality, I just really wanted a dedicated camera for video. Let me talk to you a little bit about the Lumix G7. This is a micro four thirds mirrorless camera. It's compact, it's light. I think it's really good. By all means, I'm not an expert in photography, but this camera makes it real easy for people like me to use them. And as far as the quality of the camera itself, I'm not a really big fan of the materials used for this camera. It's a little bit plasticky, and the screen on the camera really feels like it could break at any moment. But the camera is really aesthetically pleasing. I mean, it's a beautiful camera, and after using it for a while, I really don't mind that at all. I just overlooked it, and in fact it makes it easier to carry around since it's so lightweight. It's not that heavy. After a while you just get used to it, and trust me, you're gonna like that. You're gonna appreciate it when you're taking pictures and taking videos for long periods of time and you have to hold that camera for long periods of time. This camera comes in at $500, and I'm really amazed on the quality that you can get for that money. I mean, for me it's a no-brainer. I was trying to search what camera I should buy for my channel. I've gone through several options, and trust me, there's a lot of cameras out there, but the one that caught my eye really was the Lumix G7, and it was for two reasons. One, because I like how it looks, and two, because it is really cheap for the stuff it can do. You can also buy this camera in several bundles. I'm actually going to put the link down below on which was the bundle that I bought, and in my opinion it's the best bundle you can get there in Amazon for this camera. I mean, I paid $500 basically, and it brought a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm going to put that out there for you guys. So, are dedicated cameras relevant anymore? I'll leave that one up to you. If you're a person that's looking for a camera just to shoot pictures for Instagram, or you're just looking to have a camera handy around, if you want to take YouTube videos or you want to do simple stuff, I don't think you need this camera. But if you're looking for a camera that that you want high quality production, I think this camera is going to work just fine for you, just because this camera has so many options and so many settings that you can work with. iPhone cameras are great, and most smartphone cameras out there are great, but they are kind of limited. You do have sort of limited options with them, and this camera, you can change the lenses on it. You can change a lot of settings that are just gonna make your production better, and it's gonna make it much better for you when you actually go to post-production, because you will get a lot more information out of your video and footage that you're gonna get from a phone. So what did you think about this video? Was it helpful? If you think it was helpful and you liked it, please leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you get notified whenever we get new content. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.